Have you ever wondered how we get internet and phone service from one country to another? Let's explore how underground cables are laid in the deep ocean. Underwater cables are essential for global communication. They are responsible for more than 99% of international data traffic. The process of laying underwater cables is complex. It requires specialized ships and equipment to precisely lay cables on the ocean floor. Fun fact: the world's longest underwater cable stretches over 20,000 kilometers from Japan to the UK. It's like laying a cable from New York to Los Angeles 6 times. So, the next time you make an international call or browse the web, remember the incredible process of laying underwater cables that makes it all possible.